So my challenge is to get everyone singing the kick song. Now I can't do it by myself. Oh no, I need help. So I've come here to Wembley. Kick, 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 kick. I'm just about to go into the game now. Remember, the challenge was for everyone to sing the kick song. So, wish me luck. Kick, 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 kick. Day one is done, and yes, we got lots of people singing the kick song. Not the full stadium, but I'm confident we will get there. So, I wonder what I could do next. Let's find out.
Maybe if you're going to an England match, you might be able to chant this along to encourage our England players to greater heights than the second round. So this is it. This is Hey Duggee's World Cup kick song.
There we go. CBeebies' favourite, Hey Duggee, has also released a World Cup song. Can we just press stop and reload on that? Because I just want to make sure that everybody understands the extreme surrealism of this moment on national radio. Let's have a listen to Hey Duggee. World Cup song.
So, my campaign is building, but I think I need support from the England squad. So, I'm off to their training ground right now. Let's see who we can persuade to dance. Kick, kick, kick. Right, so we've been to a match, but I think we need help from the inside. So let's talk to some people who actually kick the ball. Yeah, that's right. It's the players. Kick, 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 kick. Yeah.
Let me just show you this from Jesse Lingard this afternoon. The Manchester United forward may possibly have his goal celebration, do you think, for the World Cup? Is that a sneak preview? You can't practice these things too often.
CBeebies have stepped forward and done their very own World Cup song. I saw Chris Smith with the news tweeting about this, and he said, genuinely, I think this is the best World Cup song ever.
Do you guys know the kick song?
No.
No? Have you heard of the kick song?
No.
Do you know the kick song?
Yeah?
Yeah, you do. Okay, you don't. You don't. That's fine. Kick, 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 kicky, kicky, kick, kick. Yeah?
Yeah.
Kick, 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 kick. Well, that was my last chance before the World Cup. What a great atmosphere. They're still singing. But the main thing is, we've had lots of fun. Yeah! Kick, 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 brilliant!
There's no official song, so you've taken it upon yourself, haven't you?
Yes.
I think we've got a little bit, so
Yeah.
let's have a listen.
So really, this is the official World Cup song. Let's not beat around the bush here.
I like to think so.
What happens now? Do you go to Russia with this?
Well, that would be the dream.
Well done, Squirrels. You've earned your football badge.